Here's a question where you're going to need to be able to decode the METAR report. So the question here is refer to the following table. And the table they're giving you METARs for Wink, for KBOI, Boise, KLAX, Los Angeles, KMDW, Midway, and KJFK, which is Kennedy Airport. Okay. So they're asking, referring to the following table, what are the current conditions for the Chicago Midway Airport? So they even give you the 3-letter or 4-letter code here. So real simple, jump down to where you see that. Here it is, Midway. And so here's how you decode this. It's special weather at Midway on the 12th day of the month, valid from 1856 Zulu, okay, or issued at 1856 Zulu. Little trivia, they generally issue all these METARs at about 45 to 55 minutes after the hour, each hour. As we saw in the earlier slides, they're updated each hour. Okay, winds are 320 at 5 knots. Visibility section next, 1 1/2 statute miles. And here, this is the symbol RA for rain. Okay, overcast 700. So these 3 digits, remember, it starts off with 700. If it was a 070, that would be 7,000. And you'll never see it, but if it said 700, that's 70,000. You'll never see that actually, so forget about that. Next section is temperature / dew point. So the temperature of the air and the temperature of the dew point being, if you recall, the temperature where the air becomes 100% saturated. And then altimeter setting and a remarks. In this case, rain began at 35 minutes after the hour. Okay, so back to the question. It's asking you, what are the current conditions? So the easy way to answer this question is to go down here and read through this METAR, decode it, key in on the visibility, because that's an easy number for a newbie to recognize, and that is 1.5 miles. And so you look over here, which of these answers has 1.5 miles? Well, here's 1.5 miles, here's 1.5 miles, here's 2 miles. So this answer is not correct. So between these two, you go back and it says 1.5 miles in rain, 1.5 miles in heavy rain. Well, if it was a heavy rain, it would have a plus symbol next to this RA. So that means this question is out. Okay. I can also eliminate this question because it's asking 7,000 feet overcast. And again, because the overcast symbol here is 007, that's 700 feet. So therefore, the correct answer is 700 feet overcast, visibility 1.5 miles in rain. Okay, there you go.